Alright, today's lesson is multiplying polynomials by a monomial. This is found in lesson 9.2 in your textbook. Let's review distributive property first. Remember that when we distribute, you want to take the number on the outside and multiply it times everything on the inside. So essentially what you get is 5 times x, which is 5x, times 5 times negative 3, which is negative 15. That's your simplified answer. There's nothing else for you to combine, so that's the answer. With polynomials, you're still doing the same thing. Again, 5 is on the outside, so I want to multiply that times everything on the inside. 5 times x squared is 5x squared. 5 times negative 3x is negative 15x. And then 5 times 4 is positive 20. My answer's in standard form. There's nothing for me to combine, so I'm done. Well, Ms. Barnes, this just seems a little too easy. Polynomials are the same, but because we have expressions like 3a squared b to the 4th times 5a minus 9ab plus 6, we have to now apply our exponent rules that we learned in chapter 8. What are you talking about? Distribute means to take the outside term and multiply it by everything on the inside. So literally what I want to do is say 3a squared b to the 4th times 5a minus 3a squared b to the 4th times 9ab plus 3a squared b to the 4th times 6. You want to multiply each term on the inside by what's on the outside. Then once you do that, you're going to do your exponent rules. 3 times 5 is 15. A squared plus a is a to the 3rd, b to the 4th, minus 3 times 9 is 27. A to the 3rd, b to the 5th. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 3 times 6 is 18. A squared, b to the 4th. That's your answer. Use your exponent rules. Remember, side by side, you add the exponents. So I've already done that problem. Here we have, my teacher used to ask me, how many of each variable do you have? Well, if I have a to the 3rd times 5a minus 7, I know I multiply the coefficients. 1 times 5 is 5. I have 3 a's here, 1 a here. All together I have 4. 1 times negative 7 is negative 7. I have 3 a's here, no a's here. All together I have 3. That's what she means by how many of each variable do you have. So let's try some examples. I need to distribute. So I need to take this, multiply it by everything on the inside. 1 times 7 is 7. X to the 4th times x. How many do I have all together? 5. And y make 2 y's. Then I multiply this term by 8x. It's a positive 8. 1 times 8 is 8. X to the 4th and x make x to the 5th. And y and nothing makes just y. Minus 2 times 1 is 2. X to the 4th. 1 plus 3 is 4. Y squared. And then negative 2x times 7 will be negative 14x. Am I done with this problem? Check to see if you have like terms. X to the 5th, y squared. This almost looks alike, but because the y isn't squared, they're not like terms. These almost look alike, but I have x to the 5th and x to the 4th, so I can't add them. So I'm done with this answer. Next problem, you have 4z cubed times 9 minus 8z plus 2z minus 4z squared. Simple distributive property. 4 times 9 is 36. Z to the 3rd power minus 4 times 8 is 32, z to the 4th power. Then I need to distribute again. Plus 2z, and 2 times negative 4z squared is negative 8z squared. Is my answer in standard form? Absolutely not. I need the biggest exponent to be in front. So I'm going to do negative 32z to the 4th plus 36z cubed minus 8z squared plus 2z. Final answer. Your homework tonight is on page 463 through 464. I want you to try 1 through 12, 27 through 32. 4th period, this is due on Monday because of career day. 8th period, this is due tomorrow during 8th period. We'll go over this homework and then we'll start to multiply binomials times binomials.
Which question?
Hit the red button.